Bunga bunga. I'm blind. Okay, guys, see this steel ball I'm holding in my hand? It's made of steel and it's very heavy. Yeah, it's heavy, so it hurts to get hit by it in your head. So it's a very heavy ball, and it's using industrial cranes, like the ports of Newark. So basically, I'm going to use this ball to explain what inertia is. Oh, so you're asking what inertia is? Inertia is an object's ability to resist the change in state of motion. As Newton said in his first law, objects that are in motion like to stay in motion, or just objects don't like changing their current state. So that's what inertia is. The heavier an object is, the higher inertia it has. And the more inertia it has, the more it's able to resist external forces. Most commonly, in this example, it would be rolling. Or just like me blowing on it or a piece of paper. So, to explain inertia, I shall compare two balls. My other ball is a light stress ball that can't break your feet if you drop on it. Look, very light, very light. Wow, it's a stress ball. Amazing. I don't get concussion hitting myself in the head with it. Amazing. Alright, so my first experiment, I'm going to try to blow these. I'm going to try to blow these balls. And I'm going to see which one moves more to prove which one has more inertia. Alright. Look, it moved. Wow, look at the lack of inertia. But look at this big steel ball. Wow, it doesn't move. Look, this ball has so much inertia. Ow. Alright. For my next example, to explain inertia, I'm going to try to stop these balls with a piece of paper. So first ball, I'm going to have this blue ball rolling across the floor, and I'm going to stop it with this piece of paper. Alright, watch. Oh yeah, it stopped. Look, there's such a lack of inertia. Oh, it's changed its velocity from that way, negative acceleration that way. Force, yes. There's much more force due to it having this has much more force due to having a higher inertia. Meaning that when you put force in it, it will take more force to change it. So now, when I roll this and try to stop it with paper, oh boy, it went right through. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, because this is much heavier, meaning that it has a much higher inertia. Meaning it will take much more force in order to change the current velocity of the ball. So that's basically, inertia explained. I hope I didn't give myself a concussion from this. From these balls in your jaws, honey. And I get these balls in your jaws, goddamn balls. Oh, I broke my finger.